Alright, ladies and gentlemen, moving forward for the next panel discussion where we are going to discuss before AI hype and of course after AI shift. Still winning a fireside chat with India's original SEO OG, I would like to request Mr. Ravi Sharma, the General Secretary Tide Chandigarh, co-founder and CEO of WebOmaze, to please kindly come up on the stage with a big round of applause. And I would like to request Mr. Navneet Kaushal, founder and CEO of Page Traffic. So we have the fire chat going on the stage. Everyone, please pay attention, and over to the moderator, Mr. Ravi Sharma.
Hello. So can we have the video, please?
Way to connect to the main island is search engine optimization. How do you really make your website more search engine friendly? What does one keep in mind? Let's hear it from the expert.
Key points to remember for SEO or search engine optimization, as we call, are the structure of the website. The second most important is content. As we all say in our industry, content is the king. And of course, the selection of keywords. The keyword has to be realistic enough so that you expect them to be ranked well.
So, hello everyone. So, Navneet bhai, we are so lucky to have you today here. So, I have known him for some time now. He has been doing SEO since 2002. So, the video that you just saw is basically from ET News. It was recorded back in 2006. So, he has given more than 200 talks throughout the world. Be it US, Europe, Australia, every part of the world he has given so many talks, and our SEO industry basically calls him the SEO OG of India. But we all friends, we don't go with the English names, so we decided that we will start calling him the Bhisham Pitama of Indian SEO industry, and that's how we address him whenever we meet, the Bhisham Pitama ji of SEO industry. So Navneet bhai, over to you. Like, you started back in 2002. I'm taking you back 24 years. So how was your overall journey till now? Like, when you started till now, if you want to just tell something about that.
So good afternoon everyone. Like any other entrepreneur, every journey, including mine, has an up and down. But more ups, if I see if I go back and see right now, I mean, they would have more ups rather than down. But it's all because of the persistence which I have built because of working for 24 years. And when I started in 2002, it was not even an SEO company I decided to start. So I was learning SEO for doing my work, and then I came across doing something. So I thought SEO is something very interesting. So I built a website, and then one interesting incident happened. I was working, I started I was in the office. It was just like a small office, and a couple of US guys walked into my office and they said, "Do you do SEO?" And so I thought that maybe nobody walks into your office, and certainly not in 2004. So they just walked into my office and they said, will you be able to help us? And they had no idea. They said, "We heard India had a good developer. So we just came here, we found you online." And that's why they did. So I was that maybe they just are here I just was being nice to them. So I offered them a cup of tea. I thought, okay, that'd be it. But then next day they again came in. So I thought that's something serious. So that's where we took their business. That was in 2003. And we did a SEO for their website for almost 5-6 months. And after 6 months, their website started ranking for around 65,000 keywords. The server crashed. I mean, they didn't know what's happening, and then they gave another website which ranked for 50,000 keywords. And after 2 years, at that time, they sold their business for like $5 million. So that was a success which I believed at that time was surprising. I mean, I still clearly remember on a day they sent me a cake from a Taj. So a delivery came from a Taj with a cake, and the line which stuck with me, and they say, "You have done so much." And I always said, I didn't do anything, I was just doing my job. So till date, I take it, if somebody thanks me for what we have done for them, I always say, I was just doing my job. That's all.
बहुत बढ़िया भाई, and eventually we'll also come to few SEO things as well. Before that, I was talking to you yesterday, and you told me that when you started back in 2002, in like first 2 years, you just hit your first $1 million revenue, right? So how, like, do you think is it still same if anybody is starting a SEO agency today? Is it still easy to hit your first $1 million in first 2 years?
I think if you see, it is much more easier right now. I mean, people might be shocked that it is not easy, but if you stick to the fundamentals, I think you can hit much more faster. So let's say if you could ask what exactly those fundamentals will be. So I would say the fundamentals are, if I go back in 2002 and 2026, what different I have done or what difference would I do if I have to start, let's say, an SEO agency which has to hit $1 million. So first of all, at that time, there was no AI. So I'm not going to push much that we are the AI first. AI has to be incorporated into all the processes which we do. So I will do a lot of processes which are built with AI. Efficiency is built in it. As Varun and everybody were talking about that employees needs to learn AI. And second most important thing I think is that I would niche down to something specific. I mean, when I was doing in 2002, my company name still is Page Traffic, but if I have to start now, my company name might be Page Everywhere. Because you have to be everywhere. So that's what I think. If you have to hit a 1 million right now, you have to be very niche. You might be an agency for e-commerce, or you might be an agency for SaaS. So I think if somebody does something like this, it's easier to hit your 1 million.
Yeah, you just touched the right thing, like SEO for agency and SEO for SaaS. So we have like so many startups and so many product people here at Tycon. A lot of times, what I've seen is a lot of product people, they are very interested कि यार मुझे सिर्फ paid ads करना है, I have to bring traffic to my website because I have to show कि traffic आएगा, तभी शायद investors भी interested होंगे कि क्या traffic है, कितना conversion है. How have you seen the value of SEO traffic impacting the valuation of a business? कि उसको मतलब investors पसंद करते हैं, आपका क्या experience है उसमें? How's that?
See, PPC से क्या होता है कि your burn rate increases, so you are burning money. PPC is just like if you switch it off right now, it's just like a tap water. So बंद करोगे तो पानी immediately बंद हो जाएगा. So that's the thing. Organic क्या है? You invest, initial investments is high. Returns after 6 and 8 months are incremental. So I have seen startups getting good valuations who are getting good organic traffic compared to the PPC, because everybody starts seeing PPC as a cost center. Okay, if I acquire this business, I invest, that is something हर महीने मुझे burn करना है. So that is the difference I always see.
So फिर भी जैसे मैंने I was talking to one of the startups yesterday यहाँ पे, so they are basically an Indian startup and now they want to sell in US market and most startups are clueless कि यार मुझे .com लेना चाहिए, .in लेना चाहिए and what type of SEO should I be doing? Difference क्या SEO में कि website let's say .com ले भी लगी है मैंने, let's say if I have taken a product name .com, what are the fundamentals जो कि we should be doing so that we can market in US, not just in India?
See, the first fundamental is people at times think if I take a .com, half problem is solved. And if I take a .in, that's the other part. So if you are, let's say, of course, .com आप business कर रहे हो US में, so .com is important. But what is more important is that whatever you are doing, so if you are building backlinks or you are doing any activities, they should be all for a US centric and coming from in the US. So just an example, I have 2 websites, which is pagetraffic.in, which caters to India. And we have another website, pagetraffic.com, which caters to the US. And this has been the case since 2006. So, I mean, it was just, we were very clear, we want to target different markets. In fact, our pricing is also different. So that brings us better because we are able to target better. So I think just having a .com is not enough, but ensuring the content also resonates with the audience in the US. And of course, the backlink, that is very, very helpful.
You said backlinks, so guys, backlinks, because if anybody does not know what backlink is, so मैं जब भी मुझे कोई पूछता है कि यार backlink क्या चीज़ है, anybody who does not know SEO, तो मैं उनको ऐसे बोलता हूँ कि let's say आप किसी नए शहर में move हुए हो, when I moved to Melbourne, so nobody knew me there, right? So I have like 0 people who were talking about me, nobody knew me. But then I went to an event जहाँ पे मुझे 10 लोग मिले, and then 10 people started talking about me. So that's the offline way of creating backlinks जब आप connections बनाते हो. And similarly in online world, we request other websites to link back to us so that our authority gets increased because कोई authoritative website हमारे बारे में बोल रही है. So just to add, नवीन भाई, I thought कि मैं बता दूं लोगों को backlink क्या चीज़ होती है. अब आपने backlink का छेड़ा ही है तो backlink is something which is lot of SEOs are crazy about, right? प्रोजेक्ट आता है, हमारी कंपनी में तो ये होता है कि प्रोजेक्ट आता है और उसके बाद सबको होता है बैकलिंक स्टार्ट कर दो, बाकी सब बाद में स्टार्ट करेंगे. व्हाट डू यू थिंक, स्पेशली आफ्टर दिस AI थिंग, आई विल ऐड द AI एंगल एज वेल देयर, कि एक टाइम था सच्ची में जब मैंने SEO करता 2009 में, वेबसाइट आती थी, मेटा टाइटल्स डाले, उस पर थोड़ा बहुत कुछ यहाँ वहाँ किया और धड़ाधड़ बैकलिंक्स, SE न्यूज़, GSA, वो सब टूल चलाते थे. एंड नाउ विद AI और इतना चेंज हो गया, व्हाट डू यू थिंक आर द टॉप गुड प्रैक्टिसेस to create backlinks that not just gets you ranking on Google, but also helps you get some more visibility on all these ChatGPTs and Claude and Perplexity. इसके बारे में क्या कहना है?
So the secret is, as long as you see SEO is a exercise where you are trying to organically rank, that is one thing. And backlinks बहुत जरूरी है. If you are thinking कि यार backlinks बनाऊंगा उस particular keywords के लिए, I will rank. That doesn't happen anymore. So the good thing happened with us when from 2013 to almost 2020, a lot of people would publish articles, top 10 SEO companies of India. अब वो अपने को नंबर 1 करेंगे पर हमें मेंशन नहीं करेंगे तो वो genuine नहीं लगेगा. So they would put page tapping on number 4, 5, 6, whatever. But the point was we were always getting a mention. So the thing is, instead of the backlinks, we were getting mention. अब उसका benefit ये हुआ because we were getting mentions for free and still do. So that means eventually all the LLMs or AI like ChatGPT or Claude हमें already rank करते हैं without किसी effort के. So the point is, as long as you are getting brand mentions, it becomes very simple for you to start ranking. If you think SEO is just like a keyword ranking exercise, it is not. So as long as you are building brand, everything else will come naturally, and that's what I am alive in some.
Thank you भाई. And बैकलिंक्स है, सब कुछ है, बट एक और बहुत बड़ा क्या बोलेंगे इसको, एक ट्रेंड चल रहा है इस टाइम कि SEO is dead. So last 10 years, because I have been doing SEO last 10 years now, so I think मैंने तो SEO को कम से कम 10 बार तो मरते हुए देखा है. SEO died जब वो Google Images आ गया था, SEO died when Google Maps आ गया था. Everybody said कि अब तो सब लोग मैप पे ही जाएंगे डायरेक्टली, बट still people search for local businesses on Google and then they see top 3 results of maps. So अब ये AI आ गया है, तो अब फिर से SEO is dead ट्रेंड में आ गया है. तो अभी तो SEO is dead का YouTube वीडियो डालो तो you get thousands of views, right? So ये मर गया है या अभी और कितनी बार मरेगा? What do you have to say about this? कुछ जिंदा है, ये मर गया, क्या चल रहा है?
So in my career, SEO has died 24 times. But every time SEO is dead was pronounced, I made more money than ever. So I can say we make more money on the costs of SEO than anyone. But the fact is, whenever a new update comes, something comes, we have to understand that for a business, getting found is important. So even if you take SEO just like a word, but whatever comes, even if after Google, whichever LLM, whatever comes, businesses will still needs to be get found online. It's not that we are moving offline, everything is online. So that means it will just change a form. It's the shape or a form will change, but eventually the fundamentals will remain same. Even for an AI, you need to be get found. So I think the more people talk about SEO is dead, the more money you and me make, because the people who are doing very elementary jobs, they get eliminated. So example, 2012-10 में गूगल पांडा अपडेट आया जिसने बोला कि कंटेंट की क्वालिटी नहीं होगी, सेम कंटेंट लोग आप पेनलाइज करेंगे. वी मिंटेड मनी लाइक एनीथिंग. इन 2012 गूगल का पेंगुइन अपडेट आया जिससे गूगल ने बैकलिंक्स को पेनलाइज किया. आई थिंक आई मेड मोर मनी देन टिल फॉर दैट 10 years than I ever did in before. So all these things are there. And अब AI आया तो it's a good opportunity, and yes, we are making as usual more money than ever before. So I think भाई SEO को तो मरते रहना चाहिए.
Good for us, huh? सो वैसे ही एक और अपडेट आया था EMD कि अगर आप एग्जैक्ट मैच डोमेन लेंगे तो गूगल विल स्पैम योर वेबसाइट. सो हमने एक ट्रायल किया था अपने ऑफिस में अपनी मार्केटिंग टीम में. वी बॉट अ डोमेन कॉल्ड seomelbournewhite.com.au. थोड़ा बहुत यहाँ वहाँ कंटेंट डाला उसमें एंड इट वाज रैंकिंग नंबर 3 लाइक विद इन 2 वीक्स आई से. सो आई थिंक ये जो SEO इज डेड है ना, मुझे लगता है कि ये SEOs ही मार्केट करते हैं ताकि और ज़्यादा SEO का बिजनेस बढ़े. क्या कहते हैं?
I would say yes, but as I said, it is the word SEO is going to be eliminated as such. So we call that search everywhere optimization now. I think आपको अब सब जगह होना जरूरी है. So that becomes important. But I think even if you think SEO is dead, the brand building is far more important than ever before. So SEO is a byproduct. So just like if you and me are doing businesses. So when I started, I was not thinking about money. And I still don't think about money as a primary motivator. So I think earning money or doing something like that becomes a byproduct. So that's what helps as a mindset.
Yeah, so you said about brand building. So I think SEO की दुनिया में Navneet Kaushal is a brand as well, right? Page Traffic definitely brand है ही है, but you are leading that company. So I was going through your YouTube channel. So I have not seen any famous or any geek SEO person who was not in your podcast. And कुछ मैंने videos check किया, मैंने videos को सुना. There were so many good people like Neil Patel, Bruce Clay. ये सब लोग हैं जो शायद SEO के fathers हैं, right? They started the SEO thing, and they were talking so many good things about their experience of working with you, right? So ऐसा मर्सिडीज क्लास टाइप का जो सर्विसिंग आपने बनाया SEO में, बिकॉज सब कई लोगों को लगता है, एक टाइम हमें भी लगता था, हमारे ऑफिस में सब लोग बोलते थे यार SEO तो डेटा एंट्री का काम है, बिल्कुल जो प्रोग्रामर्स नहीं बन पाते वो SEO बनते हैं, राइट? एक माइंडसेट था. मुझे भी बहुत लोगों ने बोला, मेरे फादर को अभी तक समझ नहीं आता कि मैं करता क्या हूँ. वो मेरे को यही पूछते हैं कि भाई तू जावा करता है, तू .NET करता है. मैं कहती मैं SEO करता हूँ. अच्छा SEO करते हो, अच्छा SEO HTML में करते हो. उनको वो वर्ड्स आते हैं बट SEO नहीं आता, राइट? सो ये जो एंड वन थिंग दैट आई टॉक इन माई ऑफिस कि SEO सर्विस करते हैं हम, इसमें सर्विसिंग इज अ बिगर वर्ड देन SEO. वो छोटा 3 वर्ड है, ये बड़ा वर्ड है. तो जो मर्सिडीज क्लास आपने सर्विसेज बिल्ड करा है अपना विद लॉट ऑफ अदर पीपल टॉक अबाउट यू, एंड दैट टू व्हेन यू हैव लाइक मोर देन 150 employees, 3 different locations, how can you do that?
The first stage is when I hire an employee, I say when we are making a Mercedes class service, let's not mix it with Maruti, with no offense. So that's what we do. And second, if my employee comes and say chalta hai, I says boss chalta hai to sirf Ola. So it's not a Mercedes, like if you have to do so. So I'm very strict and particular about the SOPs or the processes. The processes are very fundamental to what I do, and I believe that is what takes company ahead. So when you are trying to deliver a world-class services, you need to have. So every day I am a student when I am learning. When I go back, even if I am in the conferences, I have a group in my office. I keep on posting things. I go back and do the same presentation which I do in my presentation. Go back and do that. So I share a lot of recordings. We do a lot of, every week we do a lot of learning sessions. So I think this is important. So the thing is, if I think, if let's say 2 साल पहले अगर मेरा कोई एम्प्लॉय छोड़ के चला भी गया और वो वापस आएगा तो उसको लगेगा अरे तो मैंने कोई नई कंपनी ज्वाइन कर ली. That's how fast I continue to evolve and improve the processes. I think that's the secret sauce of making a Mercedes-like services.
बिल्कुल भाई. थोड़ा सा गियर को शिफ्ट करते हैं. इवन दो इट्स अ फायर साइड, बट मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि एक 2-2.5 मिनट के इसमें वर्कशॉप भी कर लें. एक कोई ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट, तो हमारे कुछ SEO के लोग यहाँ पे होंगे, एक कोई ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट जो आप अपने पूरे इतने लंबे करियर में से बताना चाहें, जिसमें से हमारे whosoever SEOs are sitting here can learn 2-3 golden nuggets, like fast track 2-minute workshop.
See, I had done, of course, lots of projects, and we have served in 36 countries till now. I mean, but there are some projects which I really cannot name myself, but I can give you the nuggets as such. So nugget is when we were doing SEO, we started with doing the brand building exercise. It was not like 2002 जहाँ links पहले बना लो. So those are important things if a customer thinks. एंड ऑल्सो आज की डेट में UI UX बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो गया है, तो जब कोई प्रोजेक्ट या कोई वेबसाइट हमारे पास आती है तो द फर्स्ट थिंग वी डू इज ओनली ओपन इट लिटरली इन द मोबाइल एंड सी इज इट समथिंग विच वर्क्स. So we have seen good results when we have started working on the mobile first strategies, and we have started doing a lot of work with that. So whenever, even if you are not doing SEO, building a website, I think it's important to keep the mobile first approach in mind. A lot of companies and a lot of people do that. अच्छा मोबाइल है तो चलो बस responsive बना देंगे कि मोबाइल पे सही खुल रही हो. But we take the different approach. We see the mobile as the first, because mobile traffic is far more than the desktop. So that is what is very, very important. Speed load time is important. A lot of people think, as I said, it's important only for mobile. Desktop doesn't even matter. So if people can think about those things and building brands, that will be help. And in today's work, if you can do a little bit of smaller, cheaper press releases, and that will do magic.
अगर मुझे कोई पूछता ना मेरा बेस्ट प्रोजेक्ट क्या था, तो मैं थोड़ा सा ब्लैक हैट वाले प्रोजेक्ट में शेयर करता. सो मैंने वी यूज टू डू क्वाइट लॉट ऑफ ब्लैक हैट एक टाइम पे. आई पर्सनली यूज टू ट्राई. तो एक हमने प्रोजेक्ट किया था जहाँ पे जितने भी AFL NFL और इन सब के मैचेस होते थे, तो हम क्या करते थे कि वेबसाइट बनाते थे टिकट सेल्स का, और उसको पूरा एकदम बोम्बार्ड करते थे बैकलिंक से कि जो ऑफिशियल NFL है उसके ऊपर आ जाए, एंड देन टू वन थ्रू एफिलिएट और वो सब. बट ये सब साइड प्रोजेक्ट्स थे हमारे वहाँ पे. सो we have only like 3 minutes left. So after this AI, because a lot of SEOs now are struggling with AI thing कि AI का visibility देखना कैसे है, AI का अगर हमें client के लिए work करना है, how to see. So altogether, what are the top AI tools that you want to share with the audience that they should go back home today and they should explore those tools to not just enhance their SEO servicing or their SEO of their website, but also to increase their AI visibility and also to make their life easy with all these things happening?
So of course, lot of AI tools we all know, like ChatGPT, Claude, but there are other tools which we've been using. For example, for our video generation, we use Agent, which works well. In fact, now most of the SEOs have moved from ChatGPT to Claude. In fact, Claude Code is what we swear by. We put everything in the Claude Code, a lot of things we do. So I think just taking as a LLM on the surface, it's just a chatbot, is not helping. For all our employees who work, I have quite a few employees who work from home, so we used Phantom AI, which is a good meeting point, and we use all of these. So the best part about Phantom is, even if I'm speaking in English, या हिंदी में बोल रहा हूँ, it translates everything, put everything, and the transcripts are there. So it helps us. So we are doing a lot of those things. We do a lot of client calls. Everything gets recorded, and the transcripts come very nicely. So that things are helping. As I said, if you could find 1 or 2 tools, it is easier. Right now, the only tool, if you want to learn and if you are thinking यार इतना सारा tool है, कौन से शुरू करूँ या कौन से को stick करूँ, I would say Claude Code is important. नाम उसका Claude Code है, but it's not actually a coding thing. It's just maybe they put it as a wrong name. But Claude Code is where you can put everything in a folder. आप सब अपना information folder में डाल दो, and it can keep on generating things for you. So I think that's the most important skill you can learn right now.
Yeah. So we still have like 1 minute left. So last question. So जितने भी यहाँ पे SEO के एजेंसी स्टार्टअप फाउंडर हैं, लेट्स से, या स्टार्टअप फाउंडर्स हैं, प्रोडक्ट फाउंडर्स हैं, ई-कॉमर्स फाउंडर्स हैं, मे बी फ्यू एफिलिएट फाउंडर्स एज वेल, वन रूल और one SEO mantra that applies to all, which is that one?
User. I would say whatever you do, it should be always user first. It's not SEO, it's not PPC. I would say build for the user, and if you can make the user experience smoothless, flawless, I think smooth and flawless user experience is the one I would say. So whatever you do, keep user in mind first.
Thank you, Navneet bhai. Thank you for accepting our invite to come to TiECon, and I think वो मेरा decision to come to Vietnam कुछ 2 साल पहले, and we meeting just before the conference kicked off, right? और एक रात को तो हमने कुछ टाइम लगाया, उसके बाद we became such a good friends, and today we are sitting on this great stage of TiECon Chandigarh, the 11th edition. I feel myself very lucky, and I think we all feel very lucky. And thank you for accepting our invite, and thank you for being a speaker. Thank you, Bhai.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the wonderful session. I would like to request our panelists to please stay here. Do the felicitation. I would like to request Mr. Rajiv Sharma, CEO and founder, R&D Experts, to please kindly come up on the stage. And along with him, I would like to request Mr. Sandeep Kapil, the director at HT Logics, to please kindly come up on the stage. And here we have the felicitation. I would like to request our lovely audience to please put your hands together. Yes, please, sir. I would like to request Mr. Puneet Verma to please kindly come up on the stage. And here we have a moment to celebrate. Everyone, please put your hands together. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the wonderful session. For the next panel discussion, I would like to request Mr. Bhavin Bhagat, the President.